The Palace of Louvre. Louvre Palace in French, simply referred as Louvre, is a former royal and imperial palace, originally a military facility, then served numerous government-related functions in the past, intermittently as a royal residence 1314 onwards and now as Louvre Museum, open since 1793. It is an iconic building in the French state occupying a vast expanse of land between Tuileries Garden and Church of Saint-Germain, located at the right bank of River Seine in Paris. The Palace du Louvre, the building that houses it is one of the largest palaces in the world, occupies the site exerted a fortress of 12th century, occupying a huge site area of 19 hectares. History. The origin of the name Louvre is not known, but it may be possible that it comes from the French word Louvre, which means masterpiece. The museum is in Paris, France, inside the Louvre Palace. This palace was first built as a fortress by Philip II in the 12th century. Afterwards, it became the home for King Charles V and King Francis I. They both renovated it to suit their favorite styles of architecture. It is France first who got the Mona Lisa, which would become one of the most important pieces in the museum. However, Louis XIV decided to move to Versailles and the Louvre became the residence of artists. By 18th century, the French people wanted access to the royal collection of art. During the French Revolution, the Louvre finally became a public museum. It opened on August 10, 1793, exactly a year after the monarchy was taken down. In the beginning, people could only visit the museum 3 days a week, but it was the first truly public museum. It started out with 537 paintings and 184 pieces of art that came from across Europe. In the years that followed, many more pieces were added from all over the world. Some were donated or given as gifts, while others were acquired through military campaigns. Napoleon first added a lot to the collection from the Egypt, Spain, Austria, and Italy.
Architectural features. Editions of the 13th and the 14th centuries, Gothic. Editions of the 16th century, Renaissance. Editions of the 17th and the 18th century, Louis XIII style and Baroque. Editions of the 19th century, Neoclassicism, Neo-Baroque and Napoleon III style. Edition of the 20th century, Modernism, Pyramid. Pyramid is a large glass and metal pyramid surrounded by three smaller pyramids in the main courtyard. The large pyramid serves as the main entrance to the Louvre Museum, completed in 1989. Pi started from the premise that rather than the museum being located only a large elongated building, it should organize itself in a U shape around a courtyard. Then he had the idea of digging up the core Napoleon to provide enough space for two additional floors underground. He said entry should have an appropriate scale, however, refused to build a solid element that would compete with the presence of Baroque buildings. At the center of the country, he designed a glass and steel pyramid to serve as an entrance, which was mirrored by another inverted pyramid underneath to reflect sunlight into the rooms. The Louvre Pyramid was built in the 1980s as the main entrance to Louvre Museum. The modern glass structure, which forms a nice contrast with the historic facades of the Louvre, has become a landmark on its own right. The Louvre Pyramid was built as part of a project known as the Grand Louvre to expand and modernize the Louvre Museum. The Louvre Pyramid, designed by Ming Pei, is an iconic landmark and represents the insertion of modernity in a historic setting. The pyramid is rather modest in size compared to the surrounding palace wings of the Louvre. It has a height of about 22 meters and its base measures just of 35 meters. It is flanked by three smaller pyramids and reflecting pools with modern fountains. Much effort was made to make the pyramid as transparent as possible. Louvre Museum. Louvre Museum is the world's largest art museum and historic monument in Paris, France, and is best known for being the home for Mona Lisa. Approximately 38,000 objects from prehistory to the 21st century are exhibited over an area of 72,000 square meters. Some of the works in Louvre Museum are Mona Lisa, The Seated Scribe, Venus D, Winged Victory of Samothrace, Apollo of Piombia, Diana of Versailles, Dying Slave, etc.
Napoleon Hall. Napoleon Hall, the most important halls of the Louvre Museum. Upon entering the Napoleon Hall located inside the Louvre Museum, there are most important things inside museum. There are group of paintings on walls, white sculptures on neutral walls, and we find a golden hall of Napoleon known as Grand Saloon, which is a distillation hall gold and covered with rich scarlet furnishings, and has painting Eugene Napoleon III's wife on one of the beautiful walls. In addition to dangerously impressive adjacent dining room, the Napoleon Hall features many great artistic drawings that decorate the ceiling of the hall, in addition to many luxurious stucco decoration, and this hall is one of the beautiful things that should not be missed in the Louvre Museum. Thank you.